How to create channel on WhatsApp. Open the WhatsApp application. Tap on the updates option that you can see at bottom. Tap on the three dots that you can see at top right corner of your screen. Tap on the option create channel. Now you'll be able to create your own channel. Tap on the option continue that you can see on the screen. Now enter the channel name over here. Select the channel photo by tapping on the camera icon that you can see on the screen. You can select the photo from gallery, emoji, stickers, wave, etc. You can also tap on the option camera in order to click the photo right away. I'm going to select from gallery. Tap on the photo that you would like to use. Once you do that, you'll be able to crop the photo like this. Tap on the option done. Now describe your channel. Tap on this field. Enter your channel descriptions over here. Tap on the option create channel that you can see on the screen. Wait for a while. Now you can see over here your channel has been created. Like this you can create WhatsApp channel. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.